slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? RV Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a quick little look at this pair of retro Jordan 5s from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, show some love, show your boy some love by dropping a like on the video, subscribe into the channel, turn on those notifications, hit that bell, and last but not least, follow your boy on Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is in the description for that. So without further ado, let's get into it, man. These are from YesKicks, like I mentioned. Here is all their information here. So the website is yeskicks.cn, email is service@RepKicks, WeChat right there, and if you use the code RVStuff, you can save yourself $15 site-wide. So keep that in mind. Just a little disclosure, I don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. Educational purposes only, so you can kind of see the differences between retail and then UA. So yeah, let's get into it. Put the shoes aside. Comes with a regular old Jordan box. These are size 10s. Air Jordan 5 SP Muslin, black red. These are size 10. I don't know the exact colorway name of this. Obviously it'll be in the title. But yeah, I'm not entirely sure. I don't know a whole lot about this shoe specifically, so just thought it was a pretty dope colorway on the channel, and I decided these are not a personal pair. This is just for a friend of mine. So yeah, I decided to get him these. Inside the box here, nothing crazy going on. We got a little mark here at the top. I don't know what that's about, but you do have a pair of red laces, and then you do also have this MJ Jordan card. Just basically says Jordan 5s, and then it shows you the history kind of the retro Jordan collection. So yeah, that's pretty much it for in the box, and then of course you get the little wrapping paper. But here are the shoes themselves. So pretty clean shoe, honestly. I personally fuck with them. So the whole shoe more or less is this kind of synthetic seeming leather that kind of has like this nice, it's kind of like a satin tone to it. It's not quite matte, but it's not like super high gloss like patent leather would be. So yeah, it's nice for sure. Really dig that. You got the 3M tongue, of course, as you usually have on the 5s. Well, a lot of the time at least. Underneath you got the Air Jordan tag, looks clean. You got the shoe tree, of course, cannot forget about that. So a little Jordan shoe tree. Inside the shoe, size 10. Size tag is right there. It's kind of tough to see, but we'll try to pull it out for y'all so you can kind of see it. It's like damn near impossible. But yeah, size tag is there. Alright, I'm like crumpling it up now. So yeah, red Jumpman on the inside of the shoe, black laces, of course, as you can see. You do have a little lace lock here in red that does have the Jumpman on it, and then I don't know if it has anything on the other side. No, it's just a Jumpman. So a little lace lock right there. Rest of the shoe pretty simple. It does transition to this, I don't really even know what you'd call this material, but it's pretty dope. I don't really know what it is. It's pretty sick. You can kind of see the contrast with the flash on. And you got the red Jumpman in the back. But yeah, all in all, pretty clean shoe, I think, at least. Red shark teeth there. Could be a little cleaner on the paint, but no biggie. You do see flaws like that here and there on retail pairs as well. So yeah. Bottom of the shoe, you got the icy bottoms with black Jumpman, and then it says Jordan in the middle, which is white. I don't know if I called that the midsole, but that is not the midsole, it's the outsole, just in case I did call it the midsole. Air bubble here, kind of more tight on the Jordan 5, so it's kind of hard to, but it feels good. Little bit kind of paint bleed going onto the bubble there, but what can you do? So again, stuff like that, it's kind of hard to narrow it down to being UA or rep, just because you do see stuff like that on pairs right on the shelf at Foot Locker or Champs or whatever the case may be. So yeah, so here's the left shoe. Same thing, a little cleaner on the shark teeth on this one. Looks nice. Here and there you will find little, you know, loose threads on certain shoes, obviously, but yeah, part of the game, you know what I mean? Part of the game. So, red Jumpman on the back. Got the 3M tongue stitching, looks clean actually on the Jumpman, so it's dope. Inside the shoe on this one, Air Jordan. You know, there's not a whole lot to say overall about this shoe. I mean, it's a pretty clean shoe. There's not a whole lot going on to make it kind of look weird, right? So yeah, all in all, dope pickup. Buddy's gonna be happy. Jordan middle, Jumpman, icy bottoms, yada yada yada. Y'all already know how it goes. Pretty consistent between both shoes typically. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video though, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're new to the channel, show some love to your boy. With all that being said, follow me on Instagram. Link is in the description. That's pretty much it. You know, enjoy the rest of your day. And yeah, man, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.